Hey dolls, I am Robbie Mo and I want to welcome you all to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair review on some hair that I purchased from my local beauty supply store. The hair that I purchased was, I believe it's from Free Trust and it's called Organique. I have the packaging right. And it's called Organique Mastermix hair. Organique Mastermix hair. I have some other hair in here, don't mind that, you don't want to see that, but yeah, some more. And I got it in the limbs 24, 26, and 28 in the color 1B. It was nice. I wore it for my birthday. There's 3 bundles in the pack. 1 pack is enough. But for me, I like my hair to be really full, and like especially for curly hair, you know, you want that fullness, you want the length. I could have used like a half of a bundle more, or maybe 1 bundle more, just so I could have that fullness and that volume. I was supposed to do a sewing with this hair, but I decided not to because I like to change my hair up every so often. I just decided to do a half wig, and it ended up turning out really nice. I got a lot of compliments on the hair.
A lot of people like the hair.
And it's very affordable for the price. It's very cute and very trendy, especially for right now. Like in the winter, you want to have long hair, curly hair. I believe $25 is like a good amount for anybody, especially for college students and people in high school. So I'm going to show you guys the wig that I made. And I made it into a hot glue gun wig on the spandex cap. So this is just a spandex cap. And this is the hair. 28 inches. Very cute, very long, very curly, bouncy. It can get frizzy just like any other synthetic curly hair, but all you have to do really is just go in, you know, cut it out like right here.
Cut that piece out. Just go through and cut it. You just go through and cut like the hair that's in between the curls. Like something like that, you just definitely go in and snip that out. Snip that little fuzzy piece out right here. And you'll be good.
And then on this hair, I actually used some synthetic wig spray. And it's called Curl and Wave by On Natural. Right here. And it was only like $2.99. You know, make sure your hair is not tangled. You should definitely grab this too. And you only need to use a little bit. I've had this bottle for a while. That's kind of why it's like running out. But use a little bit goes a long way, especially for synthetic hair, because you don't want to use too much product because it's going to get matted up. It can get matted up and get tangled. It was minimal shedding on this wig, even though I cut the wefts, so that's also a good thing, because it's never a good thing to have, you know, hair everywhere.
Hair in your bed, hair in your car, hair on your seats, hair everywhere in your clothes. It's just like too much. But
yeah, definitely no shedding. Was really no shedding at all. As I said, the wefts are pretty thick. The wefts are good because they're thick enough. If you decide to sew in this hair, you can, because the wefts are thick enough. I would just say don't sew in the tracks too close, trying to space them out. Because I think when I sewed them in too close together. That's why I kind of stopped right here, and I was just like, now I have to make a wig. But yeah, I made the wig and I was satisfied with the hair. I would definitely buy it again. Yeah, I'll definitely buy the hair again. Probably in another time. I want to try the body wave, because the body wave, another YouTuber, she did the body wave and it looked really, really cute. So I'll probably do that next. And I'll probably do a review on that too. So if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, please hit me up in the comments down below. And let me know what you guys think.